really help it that me and the man them drip, 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 sauce, drip, 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 sauce, drip, 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 sauce, drip, 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 drip.
Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I'm bringing you another Halloween tutorial. So this look is inspired by all these cholo clowns, gangster clown videos I've been seeing on YouTube, which includes Crispy, I Love Sarai, so many more. I'll put the videos down low of a lot of people that I've seen that inspired me to do this video. Without further ado, let's start this look. There's so many easy ones that we can do. First, we're gonna start off with the eyes. That's a lot darker. A lot darker. My forehead is so fucking sweaty. We're doing the nose, which is just a smidge, a little circle. I'm gonna darken my eyebrows. Alright, I think we got the eyebrows done. I'm gonna do the whole lips. Going this way. The fuck was that? Hello? I'm gonna make the red come out from the bottom and then black on top. I don't know how the hell that would look, but hey. So the red is inside, I guess, coming out. Just the inside, and then we're gonna do black going out. Hey, that doesn't look bad. Now we're gonna be doing the line again here. So let's go ahead and finish this whole top part here before I start sweating it out. I'm liking this. Now the mouth is going to be a little bit more difficult. Hair. So with facial hair it is a little more difficult to paint over or whatever. Doesn't have to be perfect, I guess. Oh god, here comes a dumpster. Let's transfer some into the eye. How does that look? Does that look cool or what? There's so much going on out there, guys, that I'm just like... She does have like a white thing going down. What is this? So that's my look, everybody. Hopefully you enjoyed it. It's a lot of fun filming these videos, but sadly, this is going to be my last Halloween tutorial. So, until next time, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on all my social media. And with that being said, everybody, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out, homes. That was funny.